During my psychiatric posting in Benin, a lecturer asked us the question, is sex a physiological need? If yes, why? Good day everyone and welcome back to Nurses Lecturing YouTube channel. My name is Messi Mary, popularly known as Nurse with the Difference, and I make learning easy and accessible for students. Today, I'm going to be talking about Maslow's hierarchy of need. Maslow's hierarchy of need. I believe most nurses or nursing students are familiar with this hierarchy of need, and it's even applicable in our day-to-day nursing practice. So an ideal of Maslow's hierarchy of need will also go a long way to help you prioritize patient care and also know how to deal with this patient in accordance to what they need. But before we go into details in today's class, if you are new on our YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification button so you don't miss out. For all our returning subscribers, I am saying thank you and I love you so much. Let's go there. Alright, welcome back. Like I earlier said, today I'm going to be talking about the Maslow's hierarchy of need. Maslow's actually arranged this hierarchy of need in a pyramid format, as you can see on the screen. He arranged it in a pyramid format according to their importance and how man tends to chase it at every stage in their life. So the first one in Maslow's hierarchy of need is physiological need. What are the physiological needs? Physiological needs are also known as your basic need. They are known as the most important need. For example, a man has to eat. That is a physiological need. A man has to sleep. That is a physiological need. A man has to drink water. These are physiological needs. And also, a man has to reproduce. And to reproduce, sex, it's very, very important. Without sex, the human race will go into extinction. So that is why sex is classified as part of the physiological need. So physiological need are basic needs which we as humans need to survive and need to grow. Without physiological need, there are some things you won't think about. So when you get this physiological need, then that takes us to the second stage of Maslow's hierarchy of need, which is safety. That is when you start talking about how safe you are. Do you have a house? Do you have a roof over your head? Do you have something to wear? Do you have a clothes to? That's where safety come in. That's oh, it's cold, I need jacket. It's cold, I need this. Okay, for example, somebody that has not seen food to eat, he or she has not taken something. Is that person going to be thinking about, oh, I want to rent 2-bedroom flats? I want to rent 1-bedroom flat. I want to live in a safe con. So that is why food, those physiological needs, they come first before your safety. So when you have food, when you have water, when you have sex, that's a different thing entirely. When you have this basic physiological need, you are okay. That's when you're like, okay, I think I should stay under a roof. I think I need a one room. Let me save up to stay in one room. Let me say, you understand? So after physiological need, the second is safety. That's when you talk about safety. So after safety, you have love and belonging. Now you are staying under a roof. The next thing will be like, oh, my family, my friends. You say you want to have this love, this emotional attachment to feel belong, to feel among comes into play. So after the love and belonging, the other one is self-esteem. That is where you want to see who appreciates you for who you are, who values you, who wants to others, who appreciates your work, who appreciates what you have been doing. That's your self-esteem, your pride start coming in. Do you understand? Then after the self-esteem, the last one is self-actualization. And self-actualization is like fulfillment. When I was in the psychiatric posting, our lecturer made us to understand that self-actualization is different from person to person. Some people, their self-actualization is just to live in a 1-bedroom flat, be comfortable, and they are so good with it with no stress. While some people, their self-actualization is to be known by everybody. It all depends on you. Your self-actualization should be, oh, my children should learn from me. My children should be able to listen to me or something. So everybody has what made them self-actualize. So am I permitted to ask you this? Are you self self-actualize? Do you feel you have gotten to that stage of self-actualization, or you're still working hard to get there? So these are the 5 stages in the pyramid of Maslow's hierarchy of need. The first being physiological need, the second is safety, the third is love and belonging, the fourth is self-esteem, and the fifth is self-actualization. You may want to ask, as a nurse, how is this applicable in my practice? Why did I learn about the Maslow's hierarchy of need as a nurse? It applies to you. When a patient comes to you, we have physiological need. The air you breathe, the oxygen you breathe, they are physiological need. So even if a patient is naked, you get, your priority should be helping that patient bounce back to normal, because breathing is a physiological need. Without breathing, your patient is going to die. Without oxygen, your patient is going to die. So your patient's physiological need should be oxygen. Your patient's physiological need should be you stopping that blood flow. Should be you constricting, stopping and padding. It's for you to stop the blood flow if your patient is bleeding, because those are physiological needs, because your patient has to stay healthy. Have you ever seen somebody in pain, somebody complaining of severe pain? His physiological need at that moment is that pain. It is when that pain is over, that's when, like, oh, did I bring wrapper? Did I wear shirts? I don't know. Have you seen a pregnant woman run into the hospital? At that moment, for me, the physiological need of that woman is the pain. The woman does not care if her wrapper is out. The woman does not care if it's a male or female doctor that is attending to her. The woman does not care who is in the labor ward with her. All she knows is that she wants to push this baby and be back and be out of this pain. Then after she finished delivery, that's when she's like, oh, my wrapper, cover me. You understand that kind of thing? So as nurses, Maslow's hierarchy of need applies to our everyday practice. So with Maslow's hierarchy of need, we are able to prioritize our patient's care and also help our patient to feel self-actualized. As you go forth, when the patient is breathing fine, the patient is now wearing his clothes, that's when you see some patients, please address me, I am Dr. Fidelis, I am Dr. Mercy, please address me as Dr. Mercy. And you'll be like, when you were having difficulty with breathing, did you tell me that I shall address you as Dr. Phillips? I don't know if you get. So it just grow like this. As they grow, you know what and what to attend to your patients and provide solutions to them. Don't forget the Maslow's hierarchy of need. It applies in our everyday life. A man that has not eaten will not look for a shelter. A man that does not have a shelter or where to stay will not look for love and belonging. A man that has no love and belonging might not go for self-esteem. A man that has not had his self-esteem might not move to the next stage of self-actualization. So Maslow's hierarchy of need applies to our everyday life, and we have to take note of it. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share with a friend if you got value. For all our returning subscribers, I am saying thank you. For all our nursing students, or for all nursing students watching our videos out there, and you have not subscribed to our classes on Telegram, sincerely, you have been missing a lot. All you have to do is to send a message to the WhatsApp number showing on your screen to have access to all our voice notes. And there's also another opportunity to meet with nurses from different states and all over Nigeria and Africa. Thank you very much, and do have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.